Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to send and create an invoice on PayPal, and to do so it's very easy. Just open your home page on PayPal, whether it's the desktop or your phone app, and then go to create an invoice. After that you will have to fill out this little form with who are you billing and what they are paying for. So just type the name or the email of the person that you are billing and type the item name of what they are paying. If you haven't added your item yet, you can just click on create a new item and just name the item, the price, and just fill out all the necessary information. Of course, just mention if it's goods or services. And then click on add. Of course, you can also choose to ship it or not. And then you can directly just click on send. And here you'll have this invoice number that you can check, the invoice date, and the due on receipt or not. And then just click on save. After that, your invoice will be on its way to your customer and you'll be good. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.